Hi everyone! During our circle this morning, we discussed the parts of a plant. A plant is a living thing, which means it eats, it is constantly growing, and it reproduces, which means new plants are constantly being born from a seed. This plant right here is an aloe vera plant, which I have in my house. So, below the surface of the soil lie the roots. And the roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. The plant also needs one more really important thing to survive, and that is sunlight. That's why I have my plant by a window. So through a process called photosynthesis, the plant takes carbon dioxide and water and sunlight and transforms that into energy to help the plant grow. So today I'm going to show you how I care for my aloe vera plant. So my job today is to make sure that my plant has all the things it needs to survive, which include nutrients from the soil, water, and sunlight. So on my tray, I have a jar of water, a little dish, and a cotton round, and a pair of scissors. First, I'm going to feel the soil. The soil feels very dry, which means I need to water my plant. Once I start to see water coming out of the bottom, that tells me that I've put enough water in my plant and it doesn't need any more. Watered the soil, the next thing I'll do is I'll look at the leaves. It looks like these leaves could use a good cleaning. They're dirty. So I'll pour a little bit of water into my dish. And I'm going to dip my cotton round. And now I can clean the leaves of my plant. A lot of dirt that came off of the leaves of my plant. Now I'm going to look and see if there are any leaves that are all brown and dead, which means they no longer serve my plant, and I'm going to cut that off. Now that the leaves are nice and clean and I've watered my plant, I can put an indicator to show that this plant has been taken care of. I can even turn my plant so that a new side of my plant gets lots of sunlight from outside. Go and check the other plants in my house to see if they need to be taken care of. This one could use some water. So through all of this, plants release oxygen into the air that we breathe in, and they're really nice to look at, which is why it's great to have lots of plants in your house that are well taken care of. So I hope you enjoy doing this activity.